Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be like not even doing much, honestly, because this wig came ready to go. I'm just gonna slap some glue on and slap it on my head and maybe do some little swoopy swoops, but that's it. Because as you can see, it looked like I plucked it, don't it? And that's like a high regard. You know how I gets down with the plucking. Xrsbeauty got it going on. Look at this clear lace. I didn't pluck anything. Like, I'm not lying. I didn't pluck anything. I didn't pluck anything. If you want to see how I got this super slick silk press-esque install, go ahead and keep watching. And shout out to Xrsbeauty for sending me this unit and sponsoring today's video. We can get on into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So how I knew they wasn't playing about this lace being real extreme, real different, is they gave me some swatches of some other lace. So that first was brown. This one is regular old transparent lace. And this last one is the clear lace that they raving about. That they was like, it's different. You gotta see the difference. And off rip, I was like, it's giving like tinted transparent, which is like not a bad thing, honestly. Don't mind my Hello Kitty Sunday shorts, you know, like. What do you be wearing when you record your YouTube videos? I went ahead and sprayed some Gotta Be spray. This is not Gotta Be. That's Even. I sprayed some Even, and that's the three laces up next to each other. The transparent is very much having a white cast, but this clear one did not, and I liked that. So I was like, okay, let's get to installing. Here's the wig. Like I said, I ain't plucked nothing. I ain't plucked never thing on this wig. I ain't bleach it. I was like, you know what? They said it's supposed to be fresh out the box, wearable. Fine, I'll do it. Y'all know I love to touch something. I love to touch something up. I love to customize it, be my own. But they said this is ready to go. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna see if they lying or not. And they wasn't though. They was not lying. I see in a way where I could pluck a little bit more, but like this is very much a good starter wig. Like just throw this bad boy on, call it a day. I went ahead and cut off my ear tabs. What I'm about to do now, I'm just grabbing the hair up so I can cut it off. And yeah, I'm real excited for y'all to see how this install goes because I haven't had some lace this nice in a very long time. So exciting news. Once I got my ear tabs cut out and I got my ears poking through the wig, I went ahead and did my 3 sections and pushed my wig to the back. And then I already went ahead and had my 2 layers of even spray. Usually I like sit in front of y'all and be like, hold up 2 fingers. I'll be like, I did my 2 layers, but I just tell y'all now, I already did 2 layers. So this is the final 3rd layer of the even spray. And now I'm going to just go ahead and blow dry it on a cool setting and then pull it forward. And you notice that I'm pulling my wig a lot forward because I'm like, this wig is kind of overplucked in the middle to my liking, you know? Like for somebody else, I can see why they would like this. Personally, I like the more plucked area to be on the corners of like the hairline. It was more in the front, which I don't mind, but you know. I'm gonna razor some of that off. So I went ahead and put it a lot forward than I usually would so that I could razor off that excess hair. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue on to the next section. This install method is just so simple, so easy. Like even a 3-year-old could do it. Like I promise. I was about to say something about a 3-year-old being able to do this, but like I said, a 3-year-old would be able to do this. Blow drying, trying to get to the exciting part where it looked like I got my silk press done. But we not there yet. We got to go ahead and push the lace into the spray. Once I do that, I like to go ahead and turn back on the blow dryer as well so that it really like cures it. And then we can move on forward to razoring off the lace. Like I was saying, I really, oh, and I'm a little ahead of myself. Let me calm down. Right now, blow drying. I'm blow drying this so good right now. You see me? I had to check in and make sure y'all seen how clear this lace was. Yeah, that was me reacting to how clear the lace was. I went ahead and sprayed on the other side. I didn't make y'all have to watch that though because y'all already seen what I just did 2 times. This was the 3rd time I'm gonna do. You should have got it the first 2 times. So like I was saying earlier, the front part is just a little too overplucked for my liking. So I went ahead and just razored off some of that excess, you know, hair. I don't mind when people's wigs look like this, but is my wig gonna look like that? No. So I went ahead and got rid of some of that excess hair in the front, and I'm going to do this kind of weird. I just wanted to make sure I'm not cutting off any hairs that I like will need in the future. Just making sure that I'm trying to get in between the hairs and the lace, and just making sure it's to my liking and it matches up with the other side, all that jazz. So I'm just going to keep razoring it off, and we'll see what happens next. What's going to happen next? Who knows? Next up, I got this trick I learned from TikTok. You just spray a little bit of your spray to the back of your edge brush so that you're not adding as much spray. Like when you spray something directly, it can just be so much spray that it's just unnecessary. But this gives you a lot more control and only puts the spray where you need it to go directly. So I really like this trick, and I'm just gonna blow dry it in some more. But look at this. It's melted. It's giving scalp. It's giving skin. Like even the parts where the lace is at still. Like it's giving scalp. It's giving skin. Like this is my hair. Don't question me. Don't question what I got going on. Like this is my scalp. This is my hair. As you can see, I was feeling it. So I was like, let me keep going. Razoring off this side. You know how I go. I'm razoring it off. Trying to get my wig looking like my hair and not a wig. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use that method I learned a few times throughout this. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the process until I got something else to say, because I'm gonna say right now. It wasn't too long till I did have something to say. So here's me realizing that I'm giving like Beyonce when she's performing on stage and the fan blow back her hair. Beyonce pissed I just say her name like that and just compare myself to her. Anyway. Sorry to Beyonce for even saying a thing like that, but I'm gonna just go ahead and try to eradicate this middle part. Y'all ain't think y'all was gonna get a vocabulary word in this. I'm gonna eradicate the middle part. How does that sound? Now, eradicating the middle part don't come easy, because this is 4 minutes of me hot combing and just, you know, applying the easy edge stick all throughout. 4 minutes of hot combing. I shrink down to like 15 seconds for you. But after it looked decent enough for me to try to conceal this part. Because the lace is clear and I don't got no ball cap on, like you can definitely see where my hair is and underneath it. So I went ahead and just tried to add some concealer to the back portion of the parting space so that it looked a little bit more natural. Gonna rub that in with my finger and let's see how it look now. Yeah, that's what it looking like. So now I'm like, this still isn't flat, so I had to keep going. Got my good old trusty dirty ass brush that down. I'm like, all right, we can kind of move forward, because now I'm realizing that my hair ain't as straight as I would like it to be. So now I'm gonna go ahead and begin flat iron a little bit. I got me a comb and I got my Babyliss titanium plates flat iron. All that will be listed down in the description box below if you want to get a flat iron like this. I got the link for you down below. Don't you worry your pretty little head about it. I'm gonna curl it outward that way so that it would like lay right when I wore it, and it would just look like a silk press. And yeah, I'm gonna just, you know, go through and add a few more passes throughout the entirety of the head, because I did already flat iron the wig, but it just wasn't to my liking. So just gonna make sure that it's straight the way I need it to be. Once I get that final pass done, look at that. It's giving silk. It's giving shine. It's giving what it's supposed to have gave. Now it's like I'm not gonna put no edges on this, but what I am gonna do is frame the face so that it looks a lot more natural. It looks like, you know, my natural hairline. Like sometimes the wig hairline just be looking too straight back, and that's not like how your hair looks, you know. So I just added a few like twists and turns, so that I'm being real dramatic calling them twists and turns. Very much curves, so that it just looks a little bit more natural. They're not baby hairs, but they are like flattering to the face. I don't know. I'm just making it look like I tried a little bit, you know? Nothing crazy. And somehow, some way, we still ain't hot combed my hair enough, because I'm still over here hot combing and pressing hard as fuck. But here go the final look. I mean, look at this lace. What they said was supposed to give is given. Like they ain't lie. They didn't lie at all. Usually I don't really feel like that. I usually feel like I have to, you know, do a little bit touching up, but it's given what they said it was supposed to give. Clean hairline, clear lace. I didn't put no even tint on this lace or nothing. This is very much out the pack. Out the pack. Wow. I'm looking real good. My lips is lined to perfection. My hair is laid. I look like I just got a fresh silk press. I got this little piece on the side, so you really knew that this is my hair. And I'm pretty pleased with the outcome. My wig finally is flat. I look the fuck good. My job is done here. Let's get on to real JaLeah. And that wraps up today's video. Y'all know I love baby hair. I love me some baby hair. Maybe you're not an adult hair person, so this style is for you. I didn't do nothing to this hairline. Very much out the box. I didn't plug nothing. I really thought I was gonna plug something. You know, being that, you feel me, I had to cut off a little lace in the front because it was just a little too much pluck for my liking in the front. But yeah, I thought I was gonna have to do a little something. I ain't had to do nothing. I had to do shit. You know how companies be like, we just got the best pre-plucked, pre-bleached, da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, that's why they had me show you all the different laces, because they wasn't fucking around. They was very serious about what they had going on to sell. It looks good. It's giving so press. It's giving, I just got my hair done. I get my hair done every Friday. I miss getting my hair done every Friday. I'm tired of doing my own hair. So with that being said, I think I got everything out the way. I really thoroughly enjoyed this unit and this install. It was very easy. Like, I always pluck my pre-plucked wig, like always. I didn't do shit to this one. I mean, I didn't do nothing. I just showed up. I showed up and threw it on, you know? So I feel like that's great for the average viewer and the average like wig installer. So I'm very here for that. So shout out to Xrsbeauty for sending this unit and sponsoring today's video. And with that being said, I think we can get on out of here. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty via JaLeah. Don't forget to like and comment on this video right here. And if you like videos like this, go ahead. I got a whole catalog full of videos like this for you to keep on watching. That's all I gotta say. Bye, beautiful. Or my Instagram.
What if they want to see pictures of you?
If they want to see pictures of me, they can go to my Instagram and follow me at Beauty via JaLeah on Instagram.
What about your thoughts? Where do you put your thoughts?
And then when I put my thoughts down, I write them down on Twitter at Beauty via JaLeah. And sometimes as well, I make short like videos, not as long as the YouTube ones, which you're currently viewing me on YouTube at Beauty via JaLeah. But you could also follow me on TikTok for shorter form videos, where I post those frequently because I like to, and those are on TikTok at Beauty via JaLeah.
Like a still video that's like a picture. Where would I find
a still video that's like a picture, like a boomerang? Oh, definitely go to my Instagram, Beauty via JaLeah. We got so many boomerangs over there. And if you really just want to see like a video, like you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here, Beauty via JaLeah. And if you